To start to get to grips with SharePoint, there'll be some basic terms that you'll want to know. The first of these is a SharePoint site. Think of this as the umbrella term for the collection of people, groups, content, documents, home pages, themes that all relate to that one topic you're interested in, or one team you're interested in, or one organisation. For example, there might be a site for your HR group, there might be a site for your training group, there might be a site for your legal group, all of which have different services being supported. There are two very different types of site within the SharePoint environment. The first of these is set up thinking about the need to communicate information and share with a group from one person or one team to many. So this is called a communication site. It's not backed by any permissioning model such as a group, so it's very much there to expose information, to share information, and very lightweight collaboration. If you want to find some great examples of SharePoint communication sites, head over to the Microsoft lookbooks for SharePoint. You can view and download all sorts of different templates to help you get the right look and feel for your environment. The flip side of the coin is what's called a SharePoint team site. Why is this a bit better? Well, better is a relative term. It offers more features. Because it's backed by a permissions group in Microsoft 365, it unlocks the ability to secure information, to allow access to information, and actually therefore also allows you to access other different services in Microsoft 365.